Imagine being high up on a scissor lift, needing precise control, and suddenly your joystick feels unresponsive or worse, fails completely. That's not just an inconvenience. It's a serious safety hazard and a massive productivity killer on any job site. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone operating JLG Scissor lifts: the Graneric JLG Scissor Lift Joystick Controller, part number 1,600,268. This isn't just for one specific model. It's designed to bring new life and reliable operation to a whole fleet of JLG machines. We're talking about compatibility across models like the 1532E2, 1932E2, 2032E2, 2632E2, E, and even the larger 3246E2. That's a broad spectrum of JLG equipment that relies on this very component for smooth, safe, and efficient operation. The Graneric brand indicates this is an aftermarket option, which often means a more accessible and budget-friendly alternative to original equipment manufacturer parts. But the real question, as always, is whether it delivers on performance and reliability where it truly matters, in the demanding environment of a construction site or industrial setting. Now, an interesting detail in the product description mentions compatible devices, Windows and connectivity technology, USB. For a heavy-duty industrial joystick meant to control a scissor lift, this might initially raise an eyebrow. It's highly probable that this refers to its potential for diagnostic hookups, perhaps for calibration or testing off the machine, or even for use in a simulator environment for operator training. On the actual JLG machine, you'd typically expect a more robust, integrated industrial control system. However, it's a detail worth noting, hinting at some potential versatility or ease of pre-installation testing that could be a real benefit. When you're operating a scissor lift, precision and responsiveness are absolutely non-negotiable. A good joystick needs to feel intuitive, with smooth travel, immediate feedback, and no dead zones. While we don't have hands-on data for this specific unit, a quality aftermarket replacement like the 1,600,268 aims to replicate that essential OEM feel. This ensures operators can maneuver their lifts with confidence, whether they're inching into a tight spot or making broader movements across a work area. The tactile feedback and smooth action are paramount for reducing operator fatigue and enhancing overall control. Given the demanding environments these lifts work in, durability is another key factor. This controller needs to withstand constant use, vibrations, and potentially harsh weather conditions. A reliable replacement means less downtime for maintenance and more consistent work output, which directly impacts project timelines and profitability. Ultimately, this joystick isn't just a simple control input. It's the direct link between the operator's intent and the machine's action, dictating safety, efficiency, and the overall flow of work on a job site. Replacing a worn-out or faulty controller with a dependable unit like this can literally transform an operator's day, providing peace of mind and increasing precision. So, for JLG owners and operators looking for a solid, compatible replacement for their scissor lift joystick, the Graneric 1,600,268 appears to be a compelling option. It promises to restore that crucial control and confidence, helping to keep your valuable equipment running smoothly and safely, all without necessarily requiring the premium price tag of an OEM part. It's about getting back to work with reliable, precise control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.